This video is going to show you a simple trick on how to install a tubeless pocket bike tire onto a custom billet aluminum, anodized, rim, without gouging it, or even leaving a single, unpleasant scratch behind. For starters, it's best to use a pair of high-quality plastic mountain bike tire levers versus traditional metal tire irons. Now for the secret of not scratching your rims in the process of using the levers installing the tires. You'll want to use heavy-duty ducting tape, such as Gorilla Tape, to cover up the ends of the levers, on both sides. And then trim off the excess tape, so that now your tire levers are sheathed with durable tape that provide a smooth surface when in contact with the anodized rim. Before attempting to install the tire onto the rim, make sure you locate the forward arrow, so that the tire will be rotating in the correct direction. The best way to get these tires on is to grease up the wheel beads and rim with any kind of tire shine gel. Tire shine gel will also help the tubeless tire bead seal to the rim and hold air without the tire going flat every few days. Now just grease the rim so that the first side of the tire will slide right on. Now grease up the tire bead on the final side. And would you look at that, the tape is what gets damaged, and not your rim. Now comes the part where you have to set the tire bead to the rim, by filling the wheel up with air, from either a compressor, or a bicycle hand pump. By roughly 22 psi the tire beads will begin to snap into place. These tires have a maximum pressure of 2.6 bar, or just under 36 psi. And that is how you get a quality tire installation onto a custom anodized aluminum rim without leaving behind a single blemish. So remember, cover your tire irons with tape, and use tire shine grease. Please, comment, like, subscribe and all that yada yada yada.